Namaste everyone, good evening. In our previous lectures, we have studied about algebraic identities. 5 identities we have solved, and based on these identities, how to solve the questions. We have seen some of the questions. Some questions I gave you for homework also. I hope you all might have solved it. Now today we will go to another important aspect of basic mathematics, that is BODMAS. This is the rule which is important for solving very basic questions in which students normally get confused. So let us see what we mean by BODMAS. BODMAS is short form for bracket of division m multiplication a addition and s subtraction. This BODMAS tells us, while solving questions connecting all these 6 mathematical operations where bracket is involved, off is involved, multiplication, addition, division and subtraction. So in which order we have to solve? So our order of reference will be according to this sequence. First we will solve whatever brackets are there, then we will solve if any of 30% of 70, 1 by 2 of 50, like that. Third will be division, fourth is multiplication, fifth is addition, sixth is subtraction. In bracket, in Hindi bracket we call as कोष्टक. Off means 25 का 1/5 का, डिवीजन मीन्स भाग, मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीन्स गुणा, एडिशन मीन्स जोड़, सब्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स घटा. सो इन दिस ऑर्डर वी हैव टू सॉल्व. अगर एक से ज्यादा सिंबल्स एक साथ आते हैं तो पहले आप क्या सॉल्व करेंगे? ब्रैकेट, फिर सॉल्व करेंगे ऑफ, फिर डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन एंड लास्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो आवर आंसर विल बी नेवर रॉन्ग, इट विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन. Let us see one question, a simplest question in which we will take some of the symbols. 3 plus 5 into 7 minus 20 plus 60 divided by 6. This question we have considered which is not having bracket and off. All other 4 symbols are there. Addition is there, multiplication is there, minus is there, that is subtraction, division. These all symbols are there. So as our order is third number division, because bracket and off are not there. So first we will go for division, and division is here. So first we will solve this two. So 3 plus 5 into 7 minus 20 plus. Till here we will write as it is. यहाँ तक हमें कोई नंबर में भी कैलकुलेशंस नहीं करना है. सबसे पहले हम सॉल्व करेंगे 60 divided by 6. And 60 divided by 6 as we know is 10. So we will write it here 10. Then next is symbol multiplication. Yes, correct. So we will now solve this answer. So it is 5 into 7. So we will solve this 3 plus 5 into 7, 7 by 35 minus 20 plus 10. Now we have to solve addition and then subtraction. But addition subtraction can be solved together if you can add all the numbers and subtract. So 3 plus 35 plus 10 is 48 minus 20, that will be 28. This is our answer. The order we have maintained is according to Bodmos. But since bracket and off were not there, we have taken division first, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is all for today's lecture. Try some questions based on this. In our next class, we will solve some of the questions where off and bracket will also come. But by the time practice this questions having addition and subtraction. Thank you.